In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use frames for presentations in Miro. If you're looking to effectively organize and present your ideas in a clear and visually appealing way, you've come to the right place. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, we'll start by navigating to Miro's main web page. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in miro.com. Once the Miro homepage loads, you'll notice a button labeled Log In on the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to sign in using your existing credentials. This might mean entering your email and password, or if you're a fan of simplifying things, you might want to just use your Google account. Once you've securely logged in, it's time to take the next step. You will then have the option to continue with your email. Click on that option if it's your preferred method, and you'll find yourself on your personal dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Now take a look at your dashboard and find the board you want to work on. Click on it to open it. With your board open, your attention should be directed to the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll find a variety of tools and options. Among these is the frame tool, which is central to our task today. Click on it and you'll be ready for the next part of the process. Select the type of frame that suits your presentation style. Once you've decided, drag and drop it onto your board. Frames in Miro work much like slides in traditional presentation software, allowing you to segment different parts of your content. With your frame in place, it's time to fill it with your content. Think of frames as containers. You can move various items like tables, documents, and other objects right into them. This helps in keeping your board organized, and it makes it easier for both you and your audience to follow along during a presentation. Once you have all your items placed nicely within the frames, you're ready to present. Look to the upper right corner of your screen for a button that says Present. Click this button and your frames will transition into presentation mode. This is where your hard work really shines. Finally, to navigate through your frames, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard. This allows you to move forwards and backwards through your content with ease, giving you control over the pace and flow of your presentation. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using frames for presentations in Miro. With these steps, creating structured and impactful presentations becomes a straightforward and enjoyable task. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.